Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm not really excited. I mean, I am excited like a lot, but I just woke up, so my voice isn't that like good. So yeah, today's video we're gonna be going to get another pet because we can't leave him alone. So we're gonna get another one, another budgie. So, or I don't know, another bird. That's all I know. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a budgie. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower. So, bye. That didn't work. Bye. I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'm gonna, yeah, and then, and then when my dad comes back, we'll go to animal market. Okay guys, now I'm done showering. Now I'm all freshened up. So I'm gonna go pray in the mosque so I couldn't record. I'm gonna go pray right now. So I will see you guys probably after praying, and then we're probably gonna head to animal market. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. If you're enjoying, smash that like button. Bye. Okay, so I'm currently in my corridor. I'm about to go down to my dad's car. So I'm waiting for a lift. I think that lift's gonna come. I think that, yeah, this one. Okay. There's no one in the lift, but I'm probably sure there is gonna be, because it is right now time for prayer. Okay, so I'm in the lift. I don't know, but I can't even show you the time my camera's because you can see from there. I'm at 10th floor right now. 9, 8, 7, and while we're waiting, I hope you guys are enjoying. If you are, then just like that. Just press that like button. It would be really appreciated. And there's this person coming in the lift. Oh my god, I just hit ground floor and I just remembered I forgot my Johnny mask. Oh, I'm dumb child. I am very dumb child. I'm going back to 11th floor to get my Johnny mask. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Hi. This is what I'm recording with. Okay, I'm very late, but I'm gonna check what time it is. Let me just. Okay, this is. Okay, it is currently 1:11. Okay, it starts at 1:27, I think. So we're good. Let's get in the lift. Okay guys, now we're done praying. Now we're heading back home and we're gonna eat, and then we're out to animal market. Also, I just found people with birds. Let me show you. What's up, pigeon? Right there, that house, the one with the net. That's the one that has the birds I saw on that. Okay guys, so now we're back at home. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna go, which you probably heard in the last clip. But yeah, I wanna go see my parrot, so let's go together. Hey, what are you doing? Are you trying to eat my shirt? Are you trying to eat my shirt, bro? Come on. Come on. This is my parrot. You know, he's kind of lonely right now, but he's not going to be for long. You know what? Let me just take a picture with him right now. Done. Okay guys, one in the door. Okay guys, so right now my dad is eating food. After that, we are gonna go animal market. I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys also enjoy the experience. I dropped my phone. I dropped. Ow. Hopefully you guys enjoy the experience of you guys and me going to animal market. Currently chilling in my bed. I'm really bored. I just can't wait to go to animal market. The feeling when you just get in there and see every single pet in the world is amazing. So I'm currently bored. It's totally not me talking, it's just my hair talking, guys. So why not just practice something, you know? Practice delaying my voice. Let's try hi. Hi. No. Hi. Okay, I guess. Hi. Again, now let's try stole. Stole. Okay guys, so now we just got at the house. We are now going to the elevator to go to the car, to go to animal market and to go to get a book. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoy the experience, and now I didn't fall while saying that. So yeah. Okay guys, we just stopped at a petrol station. Right now my dad has gone into the, there's supermarket type thing in the, petrol. There's a supermarket type thing in the petrol station. So my dad just went there. He is going to come back, and then that is when we go to animal market to get a budgie. Yeah. So I'll show you guys the way, like the view while we're going. So hopefully you guys, oh my god, there's so much. Hopefully you guys can enjoy this, because this is probably going to take a long time to edit. Yeah, it's probably not even going to go on YouTube. It is. If you're watching this, it is. I don't know what to say, honestly, I'm bored. There's a whole apartment right in front of me, which is weird, because it still says, no, it's not. Oh my god, there's so much sun. I look so, oh, not anymore. I'm a sun boy. Let me guys show you the view. Hopefully you guys don't get it. That is the sun that's been keeping me so sun boy. And these are the buildings, and then that's the apartment in front of me. There's squirrels in that tree.
हमारा उंगली पे पैट है ना, उंगली बैलेंस ठीक नहीं है।
अलग अलग कलर डालो ना, फिर बच्चा खूबसूरत आएगा तब।
Okay guys, so we got the bird. It's right here on my hand right now. So yeah, We didn't get the cage because we already have a bird at home and we have the cage. So I'm gonna keep it in the hand while we're at home. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's basically the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.